guys, my name is Ron, as you know. I'm at ICAST 2022. I'm here with my buddy George. We're at the JYG Profishing booth. It's a little bigger this year. We've got more products. I'm going to introduce you to George, and he's going to tell you a quick something about Jig Profishing.
Of course. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is George. I'm part of the designing team and pro staff as well. I'm very involved with all the new products that we're bringing up to the market this year. So I want to show you a little bit around and talk to you about some of the old products and some of the new products and some of the evolution that make us get to that point. Okay. A couple of cool things. I want to start this year a little different before I jump into all the products and the details and all the compliments. I want to start a little bit of what goes on behind the scenes here at Jig Profishing. And it's pretty cool because people just see some of our jigs and, you know, they look pretty, they glow, you know, they're beautiful. But behind all of that, there's tons and tons of work, you know, research and things that we do, you know, to get to that point. And that's one of the reasons why this year we actually brought our 3D printer here, and we are 3D printer live in the show. But I thought it was pretty cool because that way people can see a little bit more about what's happening behind the scenes and sort of like how we get there. So this is where everything starts, pretty much. Everything starts in the computer. We have an idea, we design it, we 3D print it. We make a testing mold, we go and fish it. We won't paint the lures or anything, we just have a straight line fish it. If that lure catches fish, then we'll move to the next step, add some paint, make it pretty. And that's how we make such an incredible product. So I thought it was interesting to like show you this so you can see just a bit more about us and why we're different. And as you know, all of our designs are original designs, start to finish right there. So, and if you come here, I want to show you some of these things are from last year. They've been in the market for a long time, so you probably know our deep collection. So we have them all the way from 25 grams all the way up to 400 grams. So you can fish anywhere from 20 feet of water all the way to 1,000 feet of water with this one. So this is our hybrid jig. So when I say hybrid, that means it's between in the middle, long skinny jig or chunky jig. So this has a bit of both. So it's for just like a moderate current, not too high, not too low, right in the middle. So you have to buy one jig only. That's what you would buy. So that will do well in low current and higher current. Okay. Next step up here, Stryke collection, all the way from 80 grams to 540. So we actually been dropping these 540s all the way up to 1,200, 1,300 feet of water and catching some sea monsters of these things. Same thing, this is gonna be our high current jig, so it drops down a lot faster. Also, because it has low resistance, you are able to move it a little faster. So for all of you that like to combine slow pitch jigging with speed jigging, that's your jig right there. Next thing, EyeDrops. I don't know if you know about EyeDrop jigs. So this is more like a entry-level jig. It comes with hooks, it comes ready to go. This is not considered slow pitch jigging. This is actually considered tie rubber fishing, which is a completely different thing. But these are great for people just beginning into the slow jigging wall because it's easy to work. You don't need any specific tackle. Simply you drop down, hit bottom, a steady retrieve all the way up, bring it down again. Great for grouper, snapper, anything on the bottom. Super easy to work. If you have kids, family bringing on the boat, they're not like these like crazy fishermen, fishing people. This is what you need, okay? And now this is when I get like really excited. So this is our new product for 2022. We've been working on this design for over a year now. These are Wylde, just because it's the first jig that we ever made that is actually non-symmetrical and non-certain weight. So the weight is shifted to the bottom and it's also completely asymmetrical. So it's just a little wild. So this is gonna be your low current jig, short profile. So when the day is calm, you're marking fish, you want a small profile, this will get down. It has a very slow action. It actually has 3 different actions, what it makes it very unique. During all the testing process, I can tell you probably 40-50% of the times that we dropped, we got a hookup. So it's a crazy hookup ratio, right? So it's a very good jig if you have low current, this is it. Small profile, it works. Now, of course, you guys know that we like to do special edition stuff, like out of the normal stuff. So we just launched our Crackle limited edition. So these jigs are super cool. Every single one of them is unique because the paint crackles in every time crackles in a different way. And great glow, great UV reflecting paint. This is pretty. They produce something different. Okay. Right now we have them on our deep shape, our strike shape, all sizes, 4 colors. And then down below here we have our limited edition tuna. So we know a lot of you guys like to go and catch tuna on our jigs. So we make these 4 colors specifically for tuna. They will work also bottom fishing, but these are what we recommend for all your tuna fishing needs. Okay, and I know you guys are, most of you are watching from the Caribbean, so just for you, we had to do a Reggae color. So this is our first limited edition Reggae color. So I had a chat with Ron, and Ron said, you know, can we please do a Reggae color? And I said, yes, absolutely. So we're launching it in about 5 weeks. It'll be out there. You probably get it in your local stores. It's cool, it's just for you. It's just a pretty jig. I don't even know if I would like to drop these, it's so pretty. But they'll be out there. Down here, a little bit more about our limited edition. Some of you already know about our golden pink edition. Those are super pretty. And this one here is a pink cloud. As well, you know, we have a great storage system for all of our jigs. So this is the only bag in the market that actually will fit all of our jigs, including 540 jigs. So you have a bunch of space in the middle for all your big jigs, medium-sized jigs, and small jigs. So if you are into jigging and you spend all the money on, you know, the pretty expensive jigs, what you want to do is to have a proper storage for them. They last long. Take care of them. You take care of them. They last longer. So highly recommend it. This is a good way to stay organized when you're offshore. Works. All right, last but not least, our rods. Most of you already purchased some of the rods. We sold about 1,500 of these things in the last year, and they just became really popular just because it's such a light rod. It's just specifically designed for slow pitch jigging, and also it matches our jig size. So most people are getting into jigging, buying our brand, using the jigs and being successful now are buying the rods just because it completes the system. So the rods are really light, they are 2-piece, makes it travel friendly, very durable. We use on the base model, this is the base model, this uses Fuji Alconite guides to have a spiral wrap. They're 6 foot 3 inches. They come in 2 powers, Power Light and Power Plus. So your Power Light is gonna range from 80 grams up to 240 grams. And then your Power Plus is gonna be from 240 to 540, okay? With those 2 rods, you should cover all the range of jigs. So to fish from 20 feet of water all the way to 1,500 feet of water, okay? Then another great thing about these rods is we offer a 1-year warranty on the blank. So you have a bad day, if you finish fishing, put it in the back of your car, close the trunk and snap it in 3 pieces, the warranty covers you. So you get a 1-year warranty on the blank. You only have to pay $50 to get a replacement rod because nobody likes to break a rod, a $200 or $300 rod, and they have a bad day. So we thought about you guys as well on that. And every time you purchase a rod, you get a 1-year warranty, right? And now, this was the release for last year's ICAST. Of course, this year we had to do something a little different. So, since we already sold a lot of those and they became so popular, so we thought about upgrading and doing a upgraded version of the same blank. So this right here is our Revolution Pro Series limited edition, okay? So it's essentially the same blank, but it has cork, and also we upgraded the guides. These are SIC guides. This is about $50 more expensive than that for all of you guys that like to fish a little bit more technical and want to get more advanced. Same rod, just better components, okay? And here I have So this is gonna be our new long fall, first in the market. Okay, this is the actual official ICAST 2022 release for real. New blank, got right there. Official ICAST 2022 new rod. This is a Revolution Pro Series long. So, what is special about this rod? It is longer, so it's actually a 710. It's still two-piece, so it still makes it easy to travel with. We did it with the upgraded cord, better guides, super light blank, pretty much same technology as our Revolution regular rod or regular rods. This is just longer. Why longer? So some of you have bigger boats, or not have the ability to move around the boat as maybe not as agile. You need something longer so you can maneuver better. So that's what we did this for. Okay. So this is a rod that will allow you to maneuver around the boat better. Also, is more giving than the other one. It's a little less technical rod. So if you're just beginning slow pitch jigging, you probably want to get one of these first and then move to that. That's a little bit more advanced rod. Again, same price point as the other ones, same warranty, 1 year warranty on the blank. You break it, pay 50 bucks, get a new one. It looks beautiful. I'm excited for you to try this one. We have already had like great feedback on these rods, and yeah, they're pretty, they work, they're affordable, good to go. So this concludes our showcase for the ICAST. We're actually so it's the end of the show now. We had a great show, had great feedback. It was great to show you where we are this year. As you see, we are growing, and we are bringing more products to the Caribbean. And we see more and more people getting into it, and we love it. So if you guys have any feedbacks, please share it with the store owner so we can get the feedback and we can make products specifically for you. And keep jigging. My name is Jorge, JYG Profishing. See you soon.
Think deeper.
Hey, thanks for joining us on this video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it to be informative. If you are in the Caribbean and you wish to purchase our products, do drop us a line or call, and we'd be happy to point you to the nearest tackle center carrying our gear. If there is no dealer carrying our gear on your island, then we can sell to you direct. Or if you are a tackle store or charter operation, maybe we can outfit you with some of our fishing tackle, JYG Profishing gear, get you started with us and get going. Stay well. We'll chat soon.